If your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey, my pen friends, Larry here. How's it going today? Welcome to another pen mail call today. Like my hair? Woo! Yeah. Just out of the shower. This is what it looks like. Pretty awesome, isn't it? Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so, hey, in this package, let me tell you a little bit about it first. From time to time, I have viewers that support my channel, which I appreciate. Some do Patreon or PayPal, or some of them do this. They'll send me something in the mail, like I have right here. Sometimes the viewers want to be anonymous. Some it don't matter. So this one is anonymous. Ghostwriter, I'll call him or her, right? So thank you, Ghostwriter, for the package. And I won't show anything, just the front, okay? So, let me open it up and then I'll tell you what happens with all the goodies in here. Here we go. This is really important stuff, believe it or not. Look at all this.
Wow.
Look at all this stuff. I mean, got a lot of stuff here. A double wow. Very interesting stuff. Some I will work on. Now, this is not a Lamy, believe it or not. You're probably saying, oh, a Lamy. Well, it looks like a Lamy, but it's not. So anyway, these pens are awesome. And so what happens to these pens? Well, I'll go through them and check everything out. And they're already cleaned out and everything, and they're ready to go. Really awesome pens. And I've done some review on these pens as well. Probably in fact all of them. But anyway, these pens will go to people that have never used pens, or people that are on a low budget that don't have these types of pens. They may have one or two pens. But how do I find these people? Well, believe it or not, one of my secret places I go and I do secret pen handouts is the library. Yep, that's one of the places. And I find a lot of people that either never heard of fountain pens, or they've used fountain pens decades ago, and I'll give them a pen, tell them about the pen, and then I go on to the next one. So, but right now, due to the troll virus we're having right now, I haven't been able to go to the library, at least not for me. Not yet. It's got to be what I'm comfortable with. Cool. Yeah, there's people going to the library now, and that's dynamite. Cool. But I'm not ready yet. But as soon as it opens, I'll be at the library handing pens out. Also, I have subscribers that I may choose and talk a little bit to and see if they're interested in a pen. Now, I'm not going to just give pens to people just to want pens and they already have an abundance of pens. They just see the pens I want. No, I don't work it that way. Now, that doesn't mean, like, let's say if a person out there has 50 or 75, 100 pens and they're high-end or they're mid-range pens, but they never used these brands before, that could possibly happen as well. Yeah, Chinese pens, yeah, I'm pretty sure all of them are that way. Again, I have to look at them and check them out and see. So this is an interesting one. I think I've had one of these before, I think. But anyway, so that's where these pens go. Okay? So thank you very much for the person who donated all these pens. And they all are functional and ready to go. That's a good thing. And that's a big help on my channel. All right, folks. Thank you for joining me today on Larry's Pen Bell. Until my next one, I will see you later. And as always, wash those hands from now. I mean, use alcohol or get some sand, dirt, you know, whatever it be, whipped cream, get them clean, and give them a lot of peace and a lot of love, and don't touch and drive. And that's going to end it up. Bye-bye.